In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make projections with Google Sheets. To begin, open the Google Sheet that contains your historical data. You want a simple, clean layout where one column holds your time period and the next column holds the values you are tracking. A common example is dates in column A and sales in column B. Before you do anything else, take a moment to confirm that your dates are in true date format and that your sales or totals are numbers, not text. Clean formatting helps Google Sheets read your data correctly and produce a chart that makes sense. Next, highlight both columns of data. Click the first cell at the top of your date column, then drag down and across so you select the dates and the matching values together. Make sure you include the header row if you have one, because headers make the chart easier to understand and label automatically. Also, be careful not to include extra blank rows far below your data, since that can cause gaps or odd scaling in the chart. With your data selected, go to the top toolbar and click the Insert menu. This is where Google Sheets keeps tools for turning your table into visuals. From the Insert list, select Chart. As soon as you click Chart, Google Sheets will generate a chart and place it on your sheet, and you will also see the chart editor appear on the right side of the screen. Now, in the chart editor sidebar, click the Setup tab. The Setup area is where you control the chart's basic structure, including the chart type and which ranges are being used. This is an important step because the default chart type is not always the best choice for projections, especially when you are working with dates over time. In the Setup tab, find the Chart Type dropdown. Click it, then choose Line Chart. A line chart is ideal for showing trends across time because it connects your data points in a continuous way. This makes it much easier to visualize the direction your numbers are moving, which is the foundation for making projections from historical patterns. Once the line chart is selected, you will have a clear trend view of your data that you can use as the basis for projecting future performance. And that is all there is to it.